divide the interval -2 to 3 into 5 sub-intervals of equal length. Okay, let's look at this graph, given graph. -2 to 3. So we want to divide this into 5 sub-intervals of equal length. So this is like AB, and 5 means n equals 5. So when we draw rectangles, the equal width we denote by delta x. So small width will be b minus a over n. Okay, that's the formula, which is 3 minus -2. 3 minus -2 is 5 over 5, so 1. So the equal width of each rectangle will be 1. Then approximate the area under the curve, sketching the corresponding rectangles using left endpoints. So first we are using left endpoints. 5 rectangles using left endpoints of each sub-interval. Repeat this using right endpoints. So we're going to do the same thing using right endpoints. So we want to divide this into 5 equal rectangles. That means I'm going to start from the very left. So from -2, that's 1. So we draw a rectangle based on this, and we go 1 unit to the right, which is here, second, 1, fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we don't use very last to draw a rectangle. Now let's draw rectangles here. So from this one we go up to the curve and draw parallel to x-axis. So we have here the grid is given, so just follow that. So this is first rectangle based on height at -2. Now do the same thing based on -1. So from here go up to the curve and go down here. From 0 go up to the curve. From here go up to the curve. From 2 go up to the curve. So this is how we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the heights are found using left endpoints. So this area, okay, is approximated by 5 rectangles using left endpoints. So L means left endpoints 5. I don't have to write L5. That is in fact the width times height. The area of a rectangle is width times height in this case. So width is delta x times height. So width will be the same for all 5 rectangles. So I'm just factoring delta x out. So function value or height at -2, height at -1, height at 0, 1, and 2. Okay, we're just finding these heights. So this height 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we multiply width and height, we get area of this rectangle 1. Okay, so the delta x is 1. I don't have to write because 1 times a number is that number. The height at -2. So this height means given on y-axis. This is 2. This is 2. At -1, so go up to here. So 2 is between 2 and 3, but towards 3. So approximately 2.6. Okay, I can write 2.7 or 2.6. Fine. F at -1. Sorry, that's the part. F at 0, that's 3. F at 1, that's again 3. F at 2, here is about the same, I don't know, maybe 2.7. If the equation is given, if the function equation is given, we would have plugged these numbers into the function to find the exact height, but this works. So just add. So 3, 3, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 5.4, 13.4. Okay, that's 1. Now we are asked to repeat do the same work using right endpoints. So we are doing the same thing. We are going from -2 to 3. This time we are using right endpoints. So this 3, 2, 1, 0 and -1. We do not use the very left because we draw rectangles using right endpoints here. From 3, go up to the curve, draw parallel to this. So we have first rectangle. From here, go up to the curve. From here, go up to the curve. Okay, I think you can do better than this. From here, 0, go up to the curve. From here, go up to the curve. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count from the left, but I'm using right endpoints, so I'm just counting from right. Okay, it doesn't have to be that way. Now we are ready to approximate the area using the right endpoints of 5 rectangles. Again, that are 5, or don't have to use this. Width times height. Width is delta x. Height is now found by f at 3, 2, 1, 0 and -1. Okay, we did not use the very left point. In this case, we did not use the very right point because this rectangle was height given here. So this is 1, f3, height at 3 is, this height is 2, f2, that's again same thing here in between 2 and 3, close to 3, so I'm going to take 2.7, f1, that's 3, f0, that's again 3, f-1, oh, that's again the same thing like here in between 2 and 3 but close to 3, so I'm going to take 2.7, so 3, 3, 6, 2, 8, 5.4, so that is 13.4 like last time. Okay, so square units by the way, but anyway, these are the answers.